Hello stranger, welcome to my channel. This is maxdmcrafting. If you are searching for fancy tutorials and stuff, this is not the channel that is for you. I am creating stuff, guys, yes, but I'm doing it in my way. This is my creative journey. This is the way I create my little words. If you want to be inspired, also inspire me, join my community. I have 3 main social channels, guys, so you can join me here on YouTube. This is the mainstream, this is the main events showcase, Here I develop my videos and I show you my invention and creations. In the Facebook page you will find all my pictures, all my work in progress, all my finished works, guys. So join my Facebook for all the news, guys. The fancy photos and the fancy reels are on Instagram. Join my Instagram profile if you want to have a look to my fancy photos, guys. All that is great pictures with some, filters and stuff. This is on Instagram, so join. You are the main sponsor of this channel, guys. Just watching my videos, just put a like, you are helping me grow and do better and better. If you want to really give me a hand, guys, join the Patreon page. On the Patreon community, you can support me and have access to a lot of exclusive materials, beautiful previews and stuff that are just for my best supporters. I hope you will find something that inspires you in this channel. Until next time, happy crafting!